Welcome back to the Taiwan Outlook. I'm your host, Ray Guo. In this segment, we will continue our conversation with Mr. PARRENIN, who is the General Manager of Dassault Systems in Taiwan. Bernard, I know that your company is also very big. Plays premium attention on environmental protection. And as a matter of fact, in December of 2009, you had a competition called Eco Design Competition in Taiwan. Can you give us some background about the competition and how the whole project got started?
Yes, sure.
Please.
Few months ago, yes. I was in discussion with some people, and I found that Taiwan, yes. this country, yes. is really green.
Yes.
I'm very surprised. So I said that, okay, how can we find some project to involve the people, to involve the student, and also it could help me to explain how 3D can help on the green topic.
Okay.
So we decided to set up an award, so a design award, called Design Award in Taiwan. The first one was in 2009. Okay. So in mid of the year, we try to meet some university and to check if they've got some interest, because we need to also to find some students.
Of course.
So and we were very surprised because we find a big interest. So we launched this project. Okay. And so we invite all the students from any university in Taiwan. Okay. They can join this project. Okay. So the topics was they need to create something. They need to innovate. Okay. The first point is innovation. Good. The second point is innovation for green. Okay. So environment friendly. Yes. That's right. Okay. Okay. And third also, they need to think a little bit about the appearance, the design. Okay. That's why we call it eco design. Yes. Okay. So this is the three main topic, and they should use our product. Okay. Okay.
Good. All right. And did you get a very good feedback from the universities and from students?
Yes. So this is my big surprise, because we launched the program in about September. Okay. The student can register online on the web. Okay. To about end of October. In end of October, we receive 170 works.
Oh, really? That's
coming from
quite
students.
Substantial, yes.
170 team. One team is between 2 and 3 people. 3 students, sorry, 3 students. Yes. Okay. So, very surprised. For the first year, so interest coming from university and coming from the student.
Exactly, yes.
So, it's a big success.
And who are the judges for the competition? What kind of criteria did they use to make their judgment now?
Yeah. To select the judges, we try to find first some industrial reference in Taiwan. Yes. Okay. So because when you want to make a product, you would like to manufacture it. Of course. And I think the judge should give us some recommendation. Okay. So we selected some big industry, quite big reference in Taiwan. Then also some people coming from this. From the design, yes. Even if they are not inside the company, but they know what is the design. Okay,
of course.
So, from these people, they can make a selection on how look like the product. Okay. How can we use the product? How friendly is the product? Okay. Because you should never forget that when you make a product, you need to check that the people, the consumer, will like it. Okay. It should be friendly.
Of course. Okay.
And how we will contribute to a better life.
Okay.
Okay. So this was the criteria, and the judge. Okay. We tried to make a selection. It was very difficult.
Yeah, I can imagine.
In November, we have to look from 170 to 9.
To 9, to the 9 finalists.
9 finalists.
Okay, good.
So quite difficult.
Yes, and can you tell me that who are the winners, eventual winners of the competition? And can you tell us the kinds of, what was so special about the winners? Yeah.
First, I will thank the judge.
Okay.
Okay.
Please.
If you want, I will. So in the judge was Mr. She from iTech.
Yes.
The VP.
Okay.
Mr. Tony Chong from Taiwan Design Center. Okay. Roger Lin from Nova.
Okay.
And Debbie Wang from Pegatron.
Oh, okay, good.
So
okay.
They know what is design.
Yeah, they probably spend a lot of hours and commitment on this project.
Right,
yes.
So I will start by the first one.
Please.
Okay.
Okay.
So this one is LW street lights.
Yes.
Okay. This one is designed for rural area. It's a light.
Okay. Yes.
Okay? So the light will be along the street road.
Of course.
Okay, in the rural area.
Yes.
Then it will be powered by the sun.
Yes.
Okay, by the light.
Okay.
And by water.
Okay. Light and water. Yes.
Yes. And it will be made by recycled product.
Good.
Okay.
Okay.
So this is, it's difficult to see the looking, but the design is really nice.
Yes.
And it will use, I will say, some natural resource.
Yes.
Okay? There is no need of electricity.
Yeah. It certainly has a lot of concern over the protection of the environment. Yes.
Yes, that's right. So it's always difficult to make the selection, and we've got a long discussion with the judge because you need to make some kind of judgment between innovation and between realistic innovation.
Of course.
Okay. From my point, I always make a choice about realistic innovation, but that means you will limit a little bit the innovation.
Yes, of course.
So this is the number one.
Number one. Okay,
yes.
Good. And number two?
Number two is Mr. Snower.
Okay, Snore.
Snower.
Yes.
Snower is an alarm clock.
Yes.
Okay. Then this alarm clock is powered by the snore.
Oh, by the snore.
Yes.
Okay. By the person's snore.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
During the night.
Okay.
So the snore will generate power.
Yes. Okay.
Then
and
you
keep
will
the clock going.
Yes, and keep the clock going. So no need of energy, no need of electricity.
Yes.
You will provide the energy for this alarm clock.
That's very unique.
And you can see the design is quite good.
Yes, it looks very nice.
Yes, very nice.
You know, it will be very welcome addition for any household.
Yes, that's right. Yes. I hope that maybe in Taiwan some industrial people
will pick up the design.
Can pay attention.
Yes,
you know?
Yes, please. Okay, and third place.
And third place is a bicycle. It's called RE2.
Okay.
It's an electric head holding bicycle.
Okay.
And you can use it outside or inside. And the power is generated by biking. So you will generate the power. That means there is some kind of electricity. You can save sometimes, and then you need to ride. Then the bicycle can go. Okay. So again, we are looking about the design.
Yeah, the innovation.
The innovation, which is quite nice.
Yes.
Okay? And how friendly?
Yes, to the environment.
To the environment. Okay. The good point is that during this session, it happened for me two things or three things.
Okay.
The first one is that when we discuss with the people there, they are all saying that all the job has been really good. The creation from the student has been really good. Okay.
Very outstanding.
Very outstanding. That's right. At the same time, it was very interesting because it brings during this day some discussion about green environment.
Yes.
About reduction of carbon. Okay. So you can see that I'm surprised that the people, even the students, are really aware about this topic. So it's very interesting to see that many people are looking at the green.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
And the next point is what is interesting is not really how we can promote the talent, how we can promote the student. It's not really also how we can do something for green, even if it's mandatory. Okay. The very interesting point is how can we help the people to understand what we want to do, our innovation. Yes. When you've got innovation, you can have some very brilliant idea, very good idea. Yes. But how to explain this idea to other people? Yeah. And what happened at this time is we try to show to many people through this kind of event that 3D can help to share some idea.
Yes.
To share innovation. And how simple it could be. And in this case, it will bring better life.
Of course. Better application.
Better application. You know, in Dassault Systems, we call that 3D for all. That means everybody should be able to use 3D. And we use that 3D for all, and I forgot the other one.
That's okay.
We'll come back.
But of course, 3D is becoming not only for industry application, but also for household as well. And certainly in this competition, we can see that the three things that you mentioned: innovation, design, environmental friendly. Is that the message that Dassault Systems in Taiwan would like to continue with the public in Taiwan and with also the industry sector in Taiwan, the kinds of message that you would like to convey to the public here? Yes.
We would like to convey in Taiwan, the first message is that how 3D can help to get a better life.
Yes.
For sure.
Okay.
But in Taiwan also, we still have the standard, I will say the industry, the strong industry in which we are involved from a very long time, like automotive industry, like aerospace industry, like we call that FNA or IE, industrial equipment industry. This is our
core business.
Yes. Okay? And we are involved in this core business.
Of course.
In Taiwan, I am very proud to mention quite often LogGen. We are involved.
Oh, terrific.
Our company will provide a solution to
build the car design. From scratch. Yes.
Exactly. And how to manufacture this car.
Yeah. Okay. There's a lot of interest in among the consumers about luxury, the car, the automobile. Yes. I'm glad that Dassault Systems is part of it.
Yes.
Yeah.
But we will continue also with
other
to invest in other industry, like E&E.
Oh, okay.
We call it high-tech or E&E.
Okay, good.
We will invest in this one, consumer goods.
Yes.
And this industry, I'm convinced that there are a lot of potential in Taiwan.
Yes. Well, certainly looking forward to bigger roles that Dassault Systems can play in the continued development of Taiwan. We'll take another short break on Taiwan Outlook, and we'll be right back.